Hey everyone, Tori the Crafty Girl here, and today I'm going to show you how I took these yarn scraps and turned them into this boho chic top using a circular knitting machine. The overall size of this top is pretty flexible with the added lace-up detail, and after steam blocking, the length using 43 pins was about 13 inches. The mannequin is a size 8 for reference. I used the ADDI 46 pin machine on full panel setting, which is 43 pins, and cast on with a few rows of waste yarn. Then I started working with the yarn scraps. I used mostly scraps that were able to span across 2 rows for this project. With each new color, I knit 2 rows, leaving a long tail at the beginning and at the end to use for the fringe. I continued switching colors every 2 rows until I had the length I wanted. The length in this case is actually the measurement around your chest, not the length of the top. I ended up knitting 116 rows. Then I cast off with waste yarn. After I cast off, I tediously double knotted all of the yarn tails together to keep them secure and in place. And then I did a single crochet finish to both ends and removed the waste yarn. I used my steamer to block the panel and then used my mini flat iron to straighten the fringe so I could get a perfect cut. I took the piece to my craft table and used a yardstick and the table's edge to get all the fringe the exact same size. It worked out perfectly. I also added a crochet edging for the drawstring using a half double crochet, skip stitch, half double crochet, repeat pattern. For the drawstring, I just used 2 strands of white yarn together and chained to the length I needed. The last step was to pull the drawstring through the back and lace up the front. I did end up adding 1 more row of just white fringe to the bottom. That was to fill it out and give it a little bit more movement. This top is so cool and versatile because not only is it flexible with sizing, but you can wear the lace up in the front or in the back. I'll be making this top in multiple versions, including a shorter corset style, and I'm sure I'll do a video coming soon. If you make this, don't forget to tag me so I can see, and like and follow for more. Until next time, everybody, see